I reckon if we do this and this, we'll hit the shed. Oh.
It's harder than it looks, Dada Go.
Yes. Well, if I twist it this way, and then I twist it that way, and then... Aha! There you are. Our first order, ready to go. I must be going 100 miles an hour.
Slow down, Dada Go.
Uh-oh. There goes the sled.
I think it's stuck. Just a little harder. I think it's stuck. Oh, just a second. Almost got it. And ouch! This is the Go family cuckoo clock.
What's a cuckoo clock?
A cuckoo clock has a little wooden bird inside, and every hour it pops out to tell us that 1 hour has gone by. It sounds like this. Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Ooh!
What do you think, Maya?
It's our house. It's very good, Dada.
Excellent. I'll just print this out and... there. Here you go, Maya. Ah, you can take it home if you like.